guys. So I just wanted to remind you that before break, we were working on telling time. And we were working on telling time to the hour, to the half hour, to the 15 minutes, as well as to the minute and 5 minutes. So I wanted to just remind you that when you are telling time, remember we have two hands on a clock. The small hand is the hour hand, which is the red hand on this clock. The large hand is the minute hand. Remember, you are going to always read the hour hand first, so the shorter hand first, and then you'll read the minute hand second. And remember, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So the minute hand starts at the 12, which is always o'clock, and each number that it passes is 5-minute increments. So if you took your minute hand and you started to count on, hopefully you guys can see this. Let's count together, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And in 60 minutes, 1 hour has gone by. So if you were looking at this clock and you wanted to tell time, and let's just leave it where it is for right now. So right now, you're going to read your hour hand first. So the hour hand, the smaller hand, is right pointing exactly to the 2. And the minute hand is exactly on the 12. So it is 2 o'clock. So if I move the clock, and what time is it now? Remember, hour hand first, so it's 4. Minute hand second, o'clock. Let's try something else. What if I gave you this time where the minute hand's pointing right at the 6, and the hour hand, if you notice, is right between the 4 and the 5. It's not on the 4, it's not on the 5, but it's right in the middle of two numbers. Hour hand goes first. It's in the middle. See where it's in the middle? So if it's not quite to the 5, the hour is still going to be 4. So it's 4. Look at your minute hand on the 6. If you're not sure, always start at the 12 and count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time at this time is 4:30. Anytime your minute hand's on the 6, it's always going to be 30. So let's try a different one. What time would it be now? Can you tell someone at home? Okay, the hour hand is between the 7 and 8. The minute hand is on the 6, so it is 7:30. Let's try something else. What if I gave you something like this? Notice the hour hand is just a little bit after the 8, and the minute hand is on the 3. So looking at the hour hand first, it is 8. Minute hand's on the 3. Remember, you can always start at the 12 and count. 5, 10, 15. So it is 8:15. What time would it be now? I know you said it. 9:15. Let's try one more. What time would it be now? Hour hand first. 11, 5, 10, 15. So 11:15. Okay, let's try something else. What if I have my minute hand way over here on the 9? This is where it gets a little bit tricky. Still follow the same process. Always look at the hour hand first. Notice the hour hand is almost to the 12, but not quite there. So you are going to look at your hour hand. Notice it's between the 11 and 12. Remember, it's just so close to the 12, but it's just not quite there. So the hour is still going to be 11. Minute hand's on the 9. If you're not sure, always start at the 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it is 11:45. Let's try one, maybe two more. Let's try this. What time would that be? See if you can tell someone at home. Mom, dad, brother, sister, even your dog. Tell someone. Okay, the hour hand is here. Almost to the 2. Not quite. Minute hand's on the 9. So it is 1:45. 1:45. All right, let's try one more, and I'm going to let you practice. How about this? A little tricky. Super close to the 4, but not quite there. Tell someone at home what time it is. All right, good job, guys. Hour hand first, almost to the 4, so it is 4. Minute hands on the 9. Remember, start at the 12 and count if you don't know. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So the time is 3:45. It's not 4 because it's not quite to the 4. So it's 3:45. All right. Good job. And I'll talk to you soon.